MRC Cleanroom has an automated online system for obtaining a garment hanger, a dry box, and a tote box. Each user must have a garment hanger assigned to him or her. The hanger labels are in the format of a letter followed by a number. The letter corresponds to a specific cabinet based on the color. The number corresponds to a specific hanger in a cabinet. For example, the hanger Y1 corresponds to the yellow cabinet hanger 1. A tote box is used for storing your personal items such as your cleanroom notebook, cleanroom marker, and other items that can be used in the cleanroom. This is your small personal storage unit. A dry box is used to store items that need to avoid moisture such as wafers. Please do not store chemicals in the dry boxes or tote boxes. Please only use the chemical cabinets to store your chemicals. Of course, you can always store chemicals outside the cleanroom in your own private location. Please be careful when transporting chemicals to other locations. And be sure to use the proper carrying devices if you choose to do so. Before you can obtain a garment hanger, a dry box, or a tote box, you will need a scheduler username and password. When you first register to become a Cleanroom user, you'll be sent an email from crstatus@mrc.gatech.edu with your scheduler username and password. You will need these when you request a garment hanger, a dry box, or a tote box. You must make an online request for the garment hanger, tote box, or dry box before you can use them. In order to have a garment hanger, tote box, or dry box assigned to you, go to the MRC Cleanroom homepage, click on User Services, and then click on Request Labels. Next, select the type of storage type you need. In our case, we will select Garment Hanger from the Storage Type pull-down menu. Then enter in your buzz card number, your scheduler username, and your scheduler password. Then press the Submit Request button. You will then get a confirmation screen stating that you have a garment hanger, tote box, or dry box assigned to you, depending on which one you selected. Once your garment hanger, tote box, or dry box is assigned to you, you will need to print out the label for it. Do this by going to the MRC Cleanroom homepage, click on User Services, and then click on Print Labels. Next, select the label type. Once again, in our case, we will select Garment Hanger from the Label Type pull-down menu. Then enter in your buzz card number and press the Enter key. You will then get a confirmation screen stating that your label is printed. Your garment hanger, tote box, or dry box label will print out the label printer located in the gowning room. Once you have printed out your label, you need to attach it to your storage item. Attach the gowning hanger label by folding it around the neck of the hanger. Please try to keep your hanger in the proper order in the garment cabinet. Attach the tote box label to the bottom right-hand corner of the container. Make sure the ID on the label matches with the ID for the tote box. Attach the dry box label either in the top left or bottom right corner, depending on which dry box you're using. Make sure that the ID on the label matches with the ID on the dry box. Please keep in mind that every 3 months, all labels will be purged. The color of the labels will change every 3 months. You do not need to re-request your garment hanger, tote box, or dry box. You will just need to print out new labels. If you do not print out new labels for any of your storage items, it will be made available for another user to request it. There are various types of bottles for chemicals you may wish to store in the cleanroom. These bottles can be obtained from the cleanroom staff. The types of bottles that are available for use are amber bottles, Nalgene bottles, and clear glass bottles. Once you have a bottle, you will need to print out a label for it. All labels must be official cleanroom chemical labels. In order to print out a label, go to the MRC homepage, then click on Data and Information, and then click on Chemical Index and Labels. Next, find the chemical or chemicals that you want to print out labels for. Then select the checkbox in the label column for the chemicals you wish to print labels for. Then click on the Print button. Then enter in your buzz card number and press the Enter key. You will then get a confirmation screen stating that your label is printed. Your label will print out the label printer that is located inside of the cleanroom. The label prints out in 2 pieces. The large piece should be placed on the bottle. The small piece should be placed on the bottle cap. Please remember any bottle that is not properly labeled with a cleanroom label will be disposed of by the MRC staff. If you have any questions about this video, please speak to the MRC staff for assistance.